What's up, guys? My name is Felipe Barrera III, and I go by the nickname Tres. I know some of y'all might be wondering why my nickname is a number, but as you can see in my full name, I am the third Felipe in my family. My mom thought it'd be pretty unique and cool if I could have a different nickname than everybody else, I guess. And yeah, that's what everybody knows me by, pretty much, and that's what's carried me to where I am. Tres, a number, right? It's kind of weird. Anyways, here's a little about me. I was born in Eagle Pass, Texas, which is on the border, kind of southwest Texas. Not many people know where that's at. I just say it's a little west of San Antonio and on the border. Just me and my brother in my household. My mom and dad are happily married. My mama is a teacher. She's been a teacher for 23 years. She's currently teaching 8th grade math. My dad's been a coach for 24 years as well as a teacher. Coached football and baseball growing up. Kind of bounced around as a kid from school to school. Coach's son, different schools everywhere. But then I ended up finding a home base where I went to high school, which is Mission Sharyland. I went to school in Mission, which is a little further south than Eagle Pass, Texas. Still on the border, still border town, kind of. Got to go to school with my brother, play with my brother. I was a senior, he was a freshman. Got to play for my dad for 4 years, which is great. Not many people can say that their dad was their coach, actual coach on the team, which is great. Got to graduate with a great group of friends, great family support, and I earned a scholarship to the greatest university in the world, which is the University of Texas at Austin. I played baseball and went to school there for 3 years. It was a big part of my life. Learned a lot about myself, how to live on my own, meet different people from everywhere. It was a great experience. I also got to meet the love of my life, Lindsay Stevens, which is, as you'll see later, Lindsay Barrera. She played a bit softball there, and we got to meet mutual friends. How that stuff goes. And yeah, then in June of 2016, I was drafted by the Washington Nationals in the Major League Baseball draft, which is a great accomplishment of mine. I love played baseball since I was 4 years old, and always my number one love and hobby. And it was just a great experience overall. Didn't get to finish school, but that's why I'm doing this now. Currently in their system, trying to make my way up to the major leagues. Definitely a grind, but wouldn't want to be doing anything else at the moment. Playing a game for a living is pretty fun, I would say. Other than the bus rides and a lot of peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, that's not that good, but hopefully making it up to the major leagues will make it all pay off. Then that leads to the most prized thing in my life. Like I said before, Lindsay Barrera now. Just got married in January of 2018, January 6th to be exact. And that's where I am. Currently a minor league baseball player, just trying to finish up and get my degree. Not many people can say that they played professional baseball and got their degree at the same time. So that'd be something that'd be great for my family, for my friends to say, and maybe tell my kids one day that I did something that not many people get to do. I'm looking forward to this class. Hopefully it won't be too hard, and hopefully have some fun doing it. Thank y'all and hope you enjoyed.